welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to write an HTML document. Okay, let's not waste any time and let's start. If you're on Mac, go to TextEdit, or if you're on Windows, go to NotePad and go to Format. Click on Make Plain Text, that is an important thing, and type HTML in these symbols. Greater than understand. Tags. Not tags, they're actually not called tags, they're actually called symbols. So head, type head below the HTML. If you want, you can add a title. No, title is must actually. And okay, then this website, and go down, enter, and type body. Okay, if you want to add a content in a website, you should give this body tags like this and like this. So you should click hi, my name is okay, then after that, then what I have to do is just copy paste it. Okay, now that's all. Then click on file, click on save, and then make sure this is disabled. Okay, and type. So you always should type. You can type anything. And the main thing which comes in HTML is to write .html by disabling this. And if you enable this, it won't work actually. So you should disable it and write .html. And click on save. And save the next one. See Sanjay's website. And thanks for watching.